Guys, we spoke a different language on the plane, and now we're getting kicked out.
That's insane.
Now we're getting kicked out. We're getting kicked out because we spoke a different language. This is 2016. 2016. Look, Delta Airlines are kicking us out because we spoke a different language. Because we spoke a different language. Thank you so much. You guys are racist. I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe it. I spoke a word, a different language, and you said you feel uncomfortable because I spoke a different language. I can't believe it. I can't believe my eyes.
Why are you guys doing that?
Because we spoke a different language.
That's so like sad. That is so upsetting.
And you guys, are you serious? I'm about to cry right now, seriously. Because we said a word in a different language, and there's 6 white people against us bearded men. 6 white people against us bearded men. How did you kick them out? I feel uncomfortable. No, you're gonna kick us out once we go outside. That's what's gonna happen. They're gonna kick us out. Delta Airlines, and I have an account with you guys too. I spoke a different language and they're kicking us out.
That is
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
so crazy.
Thank you so
being kicked out.
Thank you so much,
Why are
man.
those white people complaining about these people speaking in a different
Thank you. I
language?
appreciate it.
I am upset that that's happening. Really
Thank
upset.
you so much. You should kick them out. They cursed us out. He told me shut the up. We never cursed. He told me to shut the F up.
It's
we never
their freedom of speech. They can speak in whatever language they want to on the plane.
Thank you so much, man. No.